Hello there friends, good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today there friends, I found the Reggae Riddim. Spell Riddim, R-I-D-D-I-M. A Jamaican restaurant, highly recommended. I've just met the owner, Marcia. Oh, what a pleasure, what a timing I would say. From what I gathered, this place is buzzing on the weekend and looks beautifully and clean inside. So I've just ordered the cow stew. Something I've had in a long time. So I'm going to indulge myself in my couple stew. I can't wait to taste it here at the Reggae Riddim Jamaican restaurant over here at South 819 South Orange Blossom. So this is what they're featuring here in Saturday from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. live reggae music. And I'm so glad I found it. So hello there friends, this is going to be very short because the music in the background is blaring and of course copyright infringement. I have to be short, but here I'm at the Jamaican Riddim today, and first time to actually trying this restaurant. Just want to show you what I have. Today we're having the cow stew. My goodness, I have not had cow stew in I can't tell you how long. Maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Well, today I'm in cow heaven, and also sampling their curry goat. Sorry for the for the shakes there a little bit. Also featuring their curry goat. So curry goat and rice and peas. And if I have not mentioned in my comfort stew, it's the comfort broad beans, fried plantain, cabbage and carrots. And I also ordered. I couldn't go without having my Jamaican fried dumpling. So essentially, that's for lunch today. Too bad I cannot give more detail simply because of the music. But my friends, I'm going to dig in, and I hope I can actually block this music out. If not, this video will be worthless. Before I take the first bite. Oh, Zach, by the way. Zach. This is for your viewing as well, Zach. Something different. Something different, Zach. You'll probably never try this ever. But when we talk about food of different stripe, that's what we're talking about. Um, so, all right, let's see. Now, so cow foot, when it's cooked, it can be quite gelatinous. I remember as a kid growing up, I eat a lot of this. And when you finish with your plate, you have to get this in water right away. If not, it really stick to the plate and stay there. So I'm hoping this will stick to my rib and stay there. Before I get the first bite, you get the first bite. Mamma mia! Oh. Yummy, yummy. It's more than fit for my tummy. Oh, oh, oh. So my friend, it's just a start, but I'm glad I'm here at the Reggae Riddim. Absolutely wonderful. South Orange Blossom. In the beautiful Orlando, Florida. See? It's so good. I'm stuttering. So my friends, finally got the music turned down. As I mentioned earlier, I hope I can use the earlier footage. But I'm telling you, as I mentioned earlier, I have not had cow foot stew in ages. I'm gonna put it to about perhaps 20 years. And this brings back so much great memories. This is Mama's cooking. This is Grandma's cooking. This is the taste. The taste. I couldn't have asked for a better dish today. The curry goat melt in your mouth. I order a large cow foot stew because, of course, your eye is always bigger than your stomach. I'm battling through it because I must. I'm not gonna waste my food. But the goat was so good. But all left is bones. Look at that. So, as I mentioned earlier, this location is at South Orange Blossom. Here in, let's see what side of town. I should have checked it out before I opened my mouth. But I'm going to say it's in Akoi. I hope I'm correct. But it's a beautiful side of town. And as I mentioned, it was recommended, highly recommended by my daughter. And I thought today I come out for brunch. It's my brunch. I didn't have breakfast. And met the owner. Luck would have it, Marcia. Very pleasant. As I mentioned earlier also, they have Sunday brunch. And from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. they have live steel band. Oh man, I wish I was still here. I would be surely partaking. But my friends, suffice to say, while I'm trying to get this down. Oh, by the way, cow foot stew. In Jamaica, we use a term. It's very gliding. I don't know if you've heard that sound. Gliding. It's almost like so. Let me kind of put it in perspective. The word gliding. If you're eating a bowl of oatmeal, and at some point halfway through, you just can't get any more down because it's so rich and thick. That is the best description I can give you of what I meant by gliding. So I'm working my way through this dish, but excellent, highly recommended. So my friends, just to make a correction as to the location of this restaurant, it's in a place called Apopka. So in a city called Apopka. So this is where the Reggae, Riddim restaurants and lounge is located here in Orlando. Apopka. So my friends, this is where we wrap it up at the Reggae Riddim. Oh, I'm telling you, that was darn best cow foot stew I had in so long. Nothing short of what my granny, as we call her, used to affectionately call her,
as my granny used to make, and of course my late mom. This was really, really, really awesome. I am so glad you could join. Thanks for coming along with me, my friends. This is Jamaican in the Mood. Last day in Orlando, Florida, heading back to Vegas. Expecting to spend many, many more weeks, months, and years here in the Orlando area. Until then, one love. Love you, my friends.